Rain.
Yeah, it's not even rain, it's hail.
Oh, look at that. Look at, there's a massive puddle.
Yeah,
look at how, holy crap, look at how rainy.
Oh my goodness. It's like we could swim in that puddle.
It's like, there's a puddle. There's massive puddles in the gutter. Oh, poor puppy. He's terrified.
No, he's here with us. Hey, puppy.
Look at that rain.
I'm glad we got the chickens in
It's
there.
pouring.
The chickens would have gotten drenched. I'll explain. Look. You see?
Oh, it's starting to hail. There's a bit of hail. Little bits of hail on the ground.
Over there.
It's like,
Hail is hitting right there under the chickens are hiding.
let's see if we can open this.
And we have to come
Okay, it's getting wet. No.
and yeah, so
It's starting to hail.
yeah, the chickens
It's
are
hail.
hiding still. Oh, it's starting to snow. That's not hail, it's snow.
It's snowing? There's bits of snow. It's massive snow.
It's snow.
Okay, let's go back to look at the front yard. It's like, whoa!
Oh, what?
Hold on, let's open these blinds.
Oh, move it.
Look,
Whoa!
it's like water that's coming from our roof.
Oh, that is
That's like a massive amount of water.
Hey, Glenn, you want a video thing in my room? And we can see the roof.
Oh, wow. Oh, God. Let's go check out. But look at it, though.
Look at the end of that person's driveway. I can't really see it on my iPod.
I can see it pretty well. Hold on, let's zoom in, see if I can see the water. Look at that. It's like a river on the road.
I can't really zoom in. I don't know how.
You just take it like this. Oh,
Can't do
yours
that.
doesn't. Yours one doesn't work on it. Okay, now let's go check.
In my room.
Yeah, it's in like it's so rainy. Ooh, let's go check from my window next.
Yeah, and we didn't see something. I think we'll check from mom and dad's room. Clay, I think I heard a window was open.
Look at the road down there.
Clay, look.
Puddle. It caused a
Look
flood.
at the gutter.
As soon as this is done, we go down to that watery water thing.
See what we can see from Benny and Oh, it's getting inside that hole.
Look out here. Oh, look at that massive puddle down there. Like why our neighbors,
Wow.
Tim and Jesse are still in their truck.
Yeah, who wants to get out?
Look at the puddle down there though.
Wow, the glass is warm. Feel it.
Oh wow, the glass is actually warm. Warm, like it's, I don't know why. Let's go check it from my room.
So it's starting to hail
It's starting to hail and it is pouring. There are puddles everywhere. They're all over the gutters. They're everywhere.
Yeah. We got
We're gonna go check from my window.
Yeah, we're gonna go check the Clayton's room window, which is probably good. You guys really like. I just put this on YouTube.
Oh, this isn't really rainy. It's like lame rain. Lame rain.
Oh, Clayton, look!
What?
That gutter right there.
Wow, look at the water. Let's go up to the front porch.
And we'll stay under the thing.
We're gonna go into the front porch. We are gonna go outside to the scenes of the rain, of death, and rainy deathness and death, of deathiness and death.
Ah! Oh, no, you know.
Okay, let's check out this
That'd be
rain.
cold, though.
Okay. It's absolutely.
Whoa!
Look at the. Absolutely pouring out here. Take a look at the puddle. We're just like,
We're being flooded here. Oh, you see that car?
which car?
Oh, yeah, look at that house over there.
What house?
The house over there. Look. It's being rained off me.
It's like, look at the puddle everywhere. It's all along the
Remember
street.
the hail did to the pit trailer last time? It broke the sides.
Yeah, I know it's a. Look at, like, it's just a
Are they
constant.
still in our van?
Yeah, they're still there. Like,
Our bikes, our poor bikes.
look at the water. It's everywhere, and then look at that. It's like really rainy out here. Hold on, let's go like.
We're outside.
Oh gosh. It's too rainy. terrified.
Oh, look at him. He's
So scared. Look at the water though. Look at it. Stay tuned. We'll see if the water gets any worse.